Yo, what's cooking, everyone? We are here at Bushkill Park with King's Kulture for their Halloween trunk or treat. It's the second year for the event, and I'm here again, parked in front of America's oldest funhouse, Hilarity Hall, with my Crown Vic station wagon. There is lots of cool cars, candy, great costumes, and rides, so let's cook it up.
action shots. Oh yeah, get that flip in there. Yeah.
We're gonna be racing here at where are we again? Oh yeah, Bushkill Park. So starting off, we're gonna see who could foot race me from there to that building without me passing out.
So what we got today? What's our event? What we
today?
doing?
This is our annual trunk or treat here, hosted at Bushkill Park. Our friends here, they allow us to come out every year. We get to bring in up to 50 cars in here every year. They decorate their cars, post some candy. Kids can come out. They got a haunted Halloween hayride, and we got a haunted house. Beware. It is scary. Ask Jay. He almost pissed his pants.
It is. I went on it last year. Oldest fun house in America. It's very cool. Got the roller skating right behind us as well. They got food. I see you got some more food over there. They had the little rides as well. Everyone had the candy, good vibes. So tell us about King's Kulture.
Well, King's Kulture is a group of us. 3 brothers got together. We founded the group to help raise awareness for men's mental health. And we do it by going out to these events, selling the merchandise, and showing people that even when you're having a bad day, you can get together, still have a laugh, and still have a good time.
Nice. That's what it's all about, man. See right there, the community, the mission. Got the cars, got it all out. This is all King's Kulture. Got this together with the help of some other locals in Bushkill Park as well. Second year in a row, definitely coming back.
We're definitely aiming for round 3.
Hell yeah, that's
Stay tuned
what I like
for that
to hear.
one.
Good stuff, Mike. All right, anything else you want to add?
No, thank you so much for coming out. Make sure you guys check out the Racing Chef. He's killer out there, and if you're racing him on the track, I feel sorry for you.
All right, man. Keep on cooking. Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Our group is running on empty, and this is just our tent. We make stickers and banners and t-shirts, merch like that. Yeah, we're just a car group in the area.
Okay, and what are you trying to do different?
Well, we kind of focus more on the actual connections in the group. So we do a lot of team bonding stuff and stuff like that, actual connections and relationships in the group.
Okay, so more about the people.
Yeah,
the
more about
cars?
the people on the cars. Absolutely.
Okay, and how new are you? Because I don't think I've seen you guys.
Yeah, probably under a year or so. And
okay, very cool. What brought you out here with King's Kulture?
Well, we're good friends with some of them, and we go to their meets all the time. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very cool. What cars did you bring here?
The Pathfinder is our base boat,
okay.
And then the Camaro, which is Tristan's, and then the Subaru WRX, of course, which is Lucas's.
Okay, I love how you attach the names on it. So
yeah.
The Subaru, no, it's Lucas's.
Yeah,
All right, see about the people. You're right with it. All right.
Definitely.
So what we got here? You guys make your own stickers too?
Yep, these are just some of our stickers and one of our banners.
Okay, very cool. And just starting out, so I'm sure that it only gets upgraded from here, but it's looking pretty good. Got the t-shirts and everything already made.
So this is running on empty. We got our merch here, we got the banners here, the stickers, sorry. The V6 Camaro, it's not crazy, but it's a car, it's a car. It's not my car. Running on empty.tm. And then our sticker business is drivencustoms.com. No, I like your camera setup. It's cool.
Oh, thank you. You're only our second interview with a brand new mic.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. So for the first one, we have Best Dressed. I don't even know what that is. Are you plate doctor? With your Ruskin, get over here. Yeah, come on up.
You guys have talked all of that.
What's your name? Hello, Alex. Hello, Alex. Congratulations, man, on your first award. Woo! Let's give him a big round of applause.
Yeah.
What do we got next, Jay? All right, up next we have Kids' Choice. Coming in hot with the Obsidian Element. Logan, get on up here. Woo!
Yay! The cat wins. Yay!
Alrighty, guys, so this one was a tough one. This came down to who had the cleanest ride with the best overall build. We got to give it to the owner of the white Honda with the body parts inside. Come on up this way, brother. Alrighty, guys, once again, thank you guys so much for coming out tonight. Hope you guys had a great time. Please, when you leave, look both ways. Don't drive into somebody. Drive safe tonight. Get home. Hope you guys have a great night. Woo!